Hey friends, it's Carolyn. I just wrapped up my masterclass number 2 on storytelling for changemakers. And wow, it was powerful. 8 incredible changemakers showed up ready to create their foundational story for their business or nonprofit. And the transformations were instant. Clarity, confidence, and messaging that finally lands for them. So here's the deal. I want you to have that too. I just can't leave it on this recording. I'm sharing this recording with you because I want 2026, which is really right around the corner, to be the best year yet, right? So for a limited time, I'm making masterclass number 2 recording available to you for free. And what's inside is gold. I'll take you step by step through creating your brand script. And the result is a foundational marketing message, your narrative for all your communications going forward. Emails, social media, speeches, podcasts, wherever and whatever you communicate. I am so excited for you. And that's why I also create this offer, a Black Friday special package to hold you and guide you through this process. And you'll get one-on-one with me, 3 one-on-one hour-long strategy sessions for any of the trainings or spots that might be a little sticky for you in my series so that you know that you're doing it right. Okay, and number 2, I'll do a full review of your messaging and even some editing along the way of your scripts or your audiences. And then 3, you'll get all of my recordings, all 3 of those masterclasses, so that you have the tools and the prompts and the guidance at your fingertips anytime you need it. And to sweeten the deal, which I've never done before, after we finalize your message, I will promote you to my audiences with a dedicated email post and a social post, right? That's exposure to thousands of mission-based, sustainability-focused individuals and businesses. This offer is incredible, and it's all inside Masterclass 2. So I'm doing this because I want you to step out into 2026 strong, right? So go ahead and watch my masterclass number 2 replay now. It's only available for a few days. And if it resonates with you, jump on my Black Friday offer before it's gone. I can't wait to see what we build together.